Hi, welcome back to Shitoku Tech. Yeah, I was talking with my son. This was before Father's Day, and he was asking me about the Bambu Lab A1 Mini, what I thought about it, and he showed me the link to Micro Center. He has a Micro Center in Fort Worth, Texas there, so that's kind of wonderful for him. But I'm going to go ahead and unbox this. He went ahead and got this for me for Father's Day. I just traveled, took a road trip to Fort Worth last week and picked this up. So thanks, son. Let's see what it looks like here. Just going to get it out of the box. If it requires additional setup, etc., we probably won't cover that in the course of this video. All right. Step one. Release that. Put the knife down. Looks like, okay. Yeah. So I've already scored the box so I can just rip it open like this. Yeah, that's a cheat there. I'm gonna step around. Probably gonna get in my own way here, so don't mind me. Slide that out. Get the box out of the way. Okay, not much on the go. So in this top section here, you can see we've got like a tool kit, parts kit, and that's in this lid here. I'm going to set that aside. Plastic, I'm just going to keep the bigger plastic down. There we go. Looks like we're going to spin this around the other way. Well, that's a big desiccant there. Let's see. Looks like a spare Bowden tube there. There's other stuff tucked up underneath here. Yeah, I can't quite get it yet. Inside here, quick start guide. You need that. All right, looks like I can just lift this off. Okay. Okay, we're just going to discard these as we go. Some padding here. Do not grab or press on the X-axis. I swear I'm not doing that. I'm just trying to ease that bad boy off of there. Okay. Take this one off. This is starting to take shape now, isn't it? Let's see. Got some part down here, so still need to do some assembly, obviously. Let's see what else we got. Not seeing any other parts. Ooh. There's some other parts here. Electrical cords down here. Safety guidelines. Okay, we'll just kind of lay this stuff all there. I think we can, yeah. There we go. That comes out. That comes out. All right, you ready? Yeah, let's move this out. And this out. Got the cardboard. Ready to remove the plastic. Okay, gently. We got some test filament there. Okay, so we just have to remove this zip tie. Let me get some clippers here. And that can come out. That's interesting. Okay. That just comes out like that. All right. That looks like we got all the packaging off. So leave a comment down below if you want to see the rest of the setup and put it to test. Give this video a like, and before you go watch more of my 3D printing videos, please click on subscribe. Thank you very much.